Hello everyone, this is a listening comprehension task. Read the questions in the description box, then listen to the story and try to answer them. The answer key will be at the end of the video. Check the description box again for additional exercises and tasks. Have fun! Sherlock Holmes and the Art of Deduction. Sherlock Holmes is one of the most famous fictional detectives in the English-speaking world. He was created by the British writer Sir Arthur Conan Doyle in the late 19th century. Holmes lives at 221B Baker Street in London and works as a consulting detective. Instead of using force, he solves mysteries by careful observation, logic, and clear thinking. Holmes believes that small details often tell a bigger story. He carefully watches people's clothes, behavior, and personal objects. From these details, he makes deductions that often surprise others, especially his friend Dr. Watson. Watson usually sees only what is obvious, while Holmes looks deeper and asks the right questions. For example, when a visitor enters the room with muddy shoes and wet hair, Holmes might say,
"You must have walked a long distance in the rain."
If the same person has rough hands, Holmes may add,
"You might work outdoors."
These are present-time speculations based on what Holmes can see at the moment. In another case, Holmes notices a watch lying on the table. The back of the watch is open, and several small screws are missing. There are also dark oil stains on the desk nearby. Holmes calmly says,
"This watch must have been opened with tools. It can't have happened by accident."
After a moment, he adds,
"The owner might have tried to repair it himself."
From these signs, Holmes understands that someone was working on the watch shortly before he arrived. Holmes often uses past speculation to test people's stories. When a man claims he stayed at home all night, but his boots are dirty, Holmes thinks,
"He can't have stayed indoors. He must have gone out late."
In another mystery, Holmes finds an open window but no missing objects. He concludes,
"The person who entered could be someone the family knows."
What makes Sherlock Holmes special is not only that he solves crimes, but how he thinks. He shows that logic can be stronger than force, and careful observation is more useful than guesses. His famous rule is simple.
When you remove the impossible, whatever remains must be the truth.
Even today, Sherlock Holmes teaches readers that clear thinking can solve even the most difficult mysteries.